Alright guys, so we're recording today on my new camera. I got a GoPro Hero 7. It records and looks way better than my previous camera. So you guys shouldn't have any more complaints about focus or stability issues or anything like that. This has a new hyper smooth technology from GoPro, so it should make everything, even my shaky ass, look great. So hopefully it works out. And in this video, we're not going to be using it, but the next video, I will be recording with the GoPro. So thank you guys for understanding, and the quality will be going up. So see you guys in a little bit. Just hand it off to past self here. Woo! What?
XYZ?
Wait.
Take it next one.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Justin Lear's Tag, and today we're doing Team Zoya! Do we know what we're doing? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
This bad boy gives it so much oil.
Alright, let's see him jack it up. Get it. Get that jacking. That's okay. Where are we going? You change your mind?
Not enough room. It's wet down here.
Not enough room. That'd be a good idea to get the jacks out. There we go. You got the wipe. I didn't even need to. The hell? Oh what just happened?
Your turn.
What are you?
Let's go with the jacks. Well, worse, I might just need to send you
We're
down.
good, but the problem is we're gonna need a new jack. We just can't get too hot, but we'll be fine.
What's up? Maybe?
Shouldn't be too on there.
Because it'll pee like that, right?
There's hopefully it won't pee on you.
Yeah, this is too big. That's why I thought the 14 would be perfect.
The 14 might be. I don't know. This is the first time we've done it ourselves.
Right, I'm like, dude, everything at this point is just a surprise.
People are gonna hate us so much. I already do.
That's okay.
Listen,
Oh, this one doesn't fit. What the ass? This doesn't fit on there.
13
What the f? The 14 doesn't.
is too big.
But here's the... And that's also...
It's too big. The that you were just trying to mess with over there.
Yeah, right there.
Gotcha.
You see?
So the filter goes in there. That's so weird.
How does that not fit? How does that not fit?
Nope. Maybe if you twist it, yeah.
Oh, wait. I just can't.
Yeah, I'll just wait until...
Oh.
Yeah! That's the one.
And it goes
Okay, well...
towards me, right? It's to the left, right? Because if I'm holding it like this, it's going...
Well, whichever way it is to the left for you is the way that you need to spin it right now. Oh, there you go. Alright. Now just get it off of there and... It's gonna spray right into the face. Yeah. Oh yeah. We finally did it.
I'm just gonna leave that in there.
We're not.
Wait,
okay.
no, I want it. Give it back. Oh, it's soupy.
Don't lose that in there, please.
I'm just gonna put that right there. We're gonna clean it off.
I'm so proud of us. We finally did something automotive to our engine.
Oil filter?
Oil on the ground.
Oil filter question mark? Yeah. Oil filter question mark?
Yeah.
Can I?
Alright, so we got the old oil filter out and the new one put in. I'm gone. New one's in. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with the one hand. This one's all oily if you want to touch it. But there you go. There's the one. The old one is out. And this is the new one. I don't know why I can't talk right now. But, so then Tim's here. I'm trying to clean up a little oil spillage so that we don't stand in the driveway, which I'm pretty sure we got mostly. There's a little bit of over there.
Well, I noticed there was like little drippies on the way.
I think that just started. That was there before.
There's little drippies all the way up to the garbage can where I
It's a
tossed
little stainy. It's fine.
Sure, if my dad does carry it home very long, and if he doesn't, then good.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, I was like, it's very small, and like, the thing's coming out, I'm confused. Alright, that's hand tight. And then this one, should be able to probably get it on hand tight, I don't have to use a tool. Or should I say good thing it's already in, because it's not f***ed yet, but...
We'll be tomorrow. It'll be okay.
Basically.
Oh yeah. Put that filter on. This is actually an easier process than I thought it was gonna be.
And it's basically, yeah, same.
Oil is like the easiest thing that you could do ever. Why would you ever pay someone to do that?
Honestly.
I can't believe we did.
But I mean, $40, to be fair, buying all this shit the first time was $100.
But now we don't have to buy it anymore.
Right. Yeah, that's the difference.
It was honestly still not that expensive. If you do it yourself and you know that it's a good job and not someone loosely tighten your air filter or your oil filter.
That bitch is in real good. And where's that?
Just make sure that those are real tight, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, give me we got a little bit messy with the box. But it's okay. This will fill like probably 2 more times. But we probably won't let it get to that point.
Alright. That is like very tight. Good.
As tight as you can get it, yeah. Alright, yeah, you're good.
I tightened that all the way till basically like
Alright, and then just make sure that whatever you see under there right now doesn't get to more when we pour the oil in.
Okay.
And that's all we gotta do. So, we gotta make sure that we're pouring exactly as much as we need to in here.
It's gonna be basically almost about like half and then start checking.
Yeah.
How big is your tank? 4.8.
And that's 5.5.
5, yeah. So we're gonna use 90% of it. How was your weekend?
Basically nothing left in.
Did you guys make it?
Yes. Oh dear God, the wind. You guys are amazing. Just go slow so it doesn't fill the bottom. That was fun. Okay. I think the problem was me, not you.
Oh.
Okay, just don't fill too fast because I don't want that top portion to go overflow into your engine.
You're good.
Okay. I was gonna say, how much do you think we just poured in there?
Quite a bit. That's probably like 3 out of 5.
I'm gonna tell you something. You're gonna need to run your car before the oil.
Oh, sorry, I keep.
No, you're
doing
good.
that.
It's just like
It's so weird to think. It's like I feel like there should be a straight hole in there.
that's what I thought too. Like everybody else's, it looks like that.
It usually is. Yours is like has metal at the top.
But so we ended up smoking one Friday night.
We have to run it for a little bit before we can actually tell. And as long as
It should be
nothing,
good.
just make sure nothing's leaking underneath right now, like from the oil filter, or
Yeah, no.
turn it on.
go ahead and look, but there's that one initial pull from this before, but other than that,
I think we're good.
yeah, we should be fine. I tightened everything down there super well. So turn it on.
I think we're good. Yeah. Yeah, like 2 to 3 minutes inside.
Just sitting there.
Sweat. Oh, that's where it was. That was fun. Little experiment, see if we can even do it, and we did it. I thought that was gonna be difficult. I thought it was gonna be difficult. First try.
Well, you literally, if you do things properly, that's where you run into trouble.
I think you're fine.
We'll do things properly. We'll try to take it off an exhaust properly.
You just gotta make sure.
And the takes 4 hours to strip a nut.
All right, so we're all done. Oil change complete. Tim's car has new oil, new filter. Everything's all done. So Tim, you want to tell them what you did, or to do the maintenance light if it works? If it works. If not, then we can help them out.
Well, everywhere online.
Oh God.
It was saying that you just have to, on your dashboard, if you click the odometer, but the little pin, you know, it'll switch, and then once you get to trip A, you're supposed to hold it, and it'll reset that, and then it'll also reset that way, apparently.
So, alright, so did it work?
No.
You're trying with that on? So try it again, maybe.
So maybe I only push it once, but I don't think anything else turns on.
I don't know about that. Maybe look it up for the one with the push to start, because it always says accessory mode. Doesn't really say anything
Turn it
about
on. You turn it on to the point where you can switch this. You put it to trip A, so you know it goes through this whole thing. You get to trip A.
Then you turn it off.
You turn it off again. And you hold the trip button. And then you turn your car on. And when
Accessory mode.
Yeah,
not
turn
on.
it on to accessory mode. So if you have the push to start, push it twice. If you don't, turn it all the way until it starts. It'll do a blinking thing with 2 lines. It'll change. It'll just show, instead of trip A with zeros, it'll literally just show all zeros at the end. And when that blinks zeros, you're done. Just let go and you're good.
Woo! It also disappeared, the maintenance light, completely.
Yep, maintenance light and everything is good.
So it's all good. And oil change complete. Quick video. I mean, that might have been like a 5 to 7 minute video, maybe even a 6 minute one.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. It's really appreciated. So Tim's car now has oil. We'll probably in the future, when mine needs it, because I just got my engine, we'll change mine. It's so nice to see the TCs next to each other.
There's the sun, and there's the moon.
Oh yeah, there's a sun today in
Yeah,
Ohio.
look at the moon.
I don't know if they can see that. Oh my God, you can. Holy crap. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. This has been Tim and Justin. Peace out. Peace out. And to end it off here, like, I know I already ended it off, but I just want to say that if you have a dream to do something, don't end that dream. There's a reason why you have that dream. But one day you could become something. So don't let go of your dreams. Believe in yourself. Don't listen to other people, because I believe in you, and I know others believe in you too. I believed in myself and I got to this point, so don't let others let you down. Believe in yourself. It will come eventually. Alright guys, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out guys.